61523800. Located between Butwal and Bhairava, Lumbini Engineering College is the only engineering college in Lumbini. We have a video documentary of the college, so let's take a look. Lumbini Engineering College was established in 2000 AD with the motto of imparting technical knowledge, skill and scientific attitude to the young talents and creating consciousness among the common people towards practical aspects of science and technology. The college is located in its own building between Butwal and Bhairava at Rupandehi district. Lumbini Engineering College offers a scholarship to deserving students every semester. Students are granted scholarship on the basis of their performance in semester and exam which is held in every 6 months. Lumbini Engineering College have an additional Sunaina Shakya Memorial Scholarship.
इसी सम्बन्ध 2000 मा हामीले यो कलेज खोलेका हौं र यसको उद्देश्य प्राविधिक शिक्षालाई यो स्थानीय लेभलमा यहाँका सर्वसाधारण विद्यार्थीहरूको पहुँचमा रहोस् भन्ने उद्देश्यले हामीले खोलेका हौं र यो भन्दा पहिले धेरै विद्यार्थीहरू यहाँ कलेजको सुविधा नहुँदाखेरि यहाँ यो प्राविधिक शिक्षाबाट सबै मानिसहरू वञ्चित भएको हुनाले हामीले यो कलेज खोलेका हौं र कलेज खोल्दाखेरि हामीले कम्प्युटर इन्जिनियरिङ कम्प्युटर इन्जिनियरिङबाट सुरु गरेका हौं र पछि यो इलेक्ट्रोनिक्स एन्ड कम्युनिकेसन सिभिल त्यो ग्रेजुएसन लेभलमा सञ्चालन गर्यौं र डिप्लोमा लेभलमा सिभिल कम्प्युटर र इलेक्ट्रिकल तीनटा विषय डिप्लोमा लेभलमा छ र गत वर्ष मात्रै हामीले यो मास्टर डिग्री विशेष गरेर सिभिलको विद्यार्थीहरूको लागि कन्स्ट्रक्सन म्यानेजमेन्ट एमएससी इन कन्स्ट्रक्सन म्यानेजमेन्ट हामीले सञ्चालन गरेका छौं र बिहान 6 बजेदेखि लिएर राति 9 बजेसम्म यहाँ पढाइ हुन्छ र अहिले करिब 900 जना विद्यार्थी यस कलेजमा अहिले शिक्षा हासिल गरिरहेका छन्।
The diploma level students are entitled for scholarship on the basis of their performance in the entrance exam and semester and examination as per college rules. The unique features of Lumbini Engineering College is that it is the only engineering college of Western and Midwestern region of Nepal. It is situated in the heart of Western terrain region, reasonably away from the rural and automobile noise. Sports and other extracurricular activities. Lumbini Engineering College provides adequate sports facilities for basketball, football, volleyball, etc. in its own compound. Computer Center. The college has fully equipped computer laboratories and research and development labs to facilitate students to undertake practical and project works. These labs have networking of internet facilities.
यो कलेजका जति पनि टिमका साथीहरुसँग प्रिन्सिपलदेखि लिएर बोर्डका सबै साथीहरु हामी एक ढिक्का भएर हामीमा बडो उत्साहका साथ यसलाई नेपालका यिनीका कलेज मध्ये यो कलेजलाई हामी पुर्याउन सक्छौं भन्ने विश्वास साथ हामी अगाडि बढिरहेका छौं। अहिले हामी भर्खरै कन्स्ट्रक्सन म्यानेजमेन्ट एमएससी कन्स्ट्रक्सन म्यानेजमेन्ट लिएर आएर हामी चलाइरहेका छौं र त्यो गत वर्ष मात्रै हो। अब इलेक्ट्रिकल इन इलेक्ट्रिकल त्यो विषय हामी थप्न गइरहेका छौं। अहिले हाम्रो तत्काल प्रोग्राम यही हो र अब आउने दिनमा फेरि सल्लाह गरेर साथीहरु बीचमा गरेर फेरि यो समयले के माग गर्छ यो आवश्यकता जस्तो कुन जनशक्तिको आवश्यकता पर्छ त्यो जनशक्तिको बारेमा फेरि हामी अन्वेषण गर्छौँ, मार्केटहरू हेर्छौँ, त्यसपछि फेरि हामी नीतिहरू बनाउँछौँ।
Computerized library. Lumini Engineering College Library has a good collection of textbooks, reference books, periodicals, technical journals, not only as per needs of the courses but also for enhancing the professional knowledge to keep abreast with the latest knowledge and development in various fields. Reading room. Lumini Engineering College has a comfortable and well-furnished reading and note-making room. Workshop and laboratories. Lumini Engineering College workshops and laboratories are fully equipped with requisite machines, apparatus, instruments, etc. Research and development. Lumini Engineering College has separate research and development labs for students to explore their talents and potentiality. Transportation facility. Transportation facility is available from Butwal and Bhairava by bus.
एजुकेसनलाई त्यो पनि यो टेक्निकल एजुकेसनलाई सेन्ट्रलाइज गर्ने हिसाबबाट सबै काठमाडौँमा मात्रै इन्जिनियरिङ कलेज, मेडिकल कलेजहरू धेरै खोलेको हामी देख्यौँ र हामीलाई के लाग्यो भनेदेखि यो एजुकेसन पनि डिसेन्ट्रलाइज हुनुपर्छ। मानिसहरू जहाँ धेरै मानिसहरू हुन्छन् त्यहाँ उनीहरूले त्यो स्थानीय ठाउँमै उनीहरूको पहुँच हुनुपर्छ भनेर हामीहरूले यो कलेज खोलेका हौँ। र अहिले के देखिएको छ भने मानिसहरू काठमाडौँमा धेरै गएर पढ्न जाने अनि काठमाडौँलाई नै त्यो जनघनत्वको चाप, पल्युसन सबै त्यो काठमाडौँमा हामीले हेर्दाखेरि हामी अहिले पनि के भन्छौँ भने यो यति खुला ठाउँमा, शान्त ठाउँमा पल्युसन यहाँ छैन र इकोनोमिक हिसाबले पनि काठमाडौँभन्दा सस्तो छ, फिसको हिसाबमा पनि सस्तो छ र अरू यहाँ उपभोग्य वस्तुहरू पनि यहाँ बस्न, खान, घर भाडा सबै सस्तो छ। त्यसकारण चाहिँ नि धेरै विद्यार्थीहरू यहाँ आकर्षित भइरहेका छन् र आउने दिनमा पक्कै पनि हामीलाई विश्वास छ अझ धेरै विद्यार्थीहरू यहाँ आउँछन् र स्थानीय लेभलमै यो शिक्षालाई चाहिँ हामीले चाहिँ नि त्यो विकेन्द्रीकरण गरेर यो स्थानीय तहमै यहाँ शिक्षाको विकास गर्न सकिन्छ भनेर हामीले यो कलेजलाई यहाँ अगाडि बढाइरहेका छौँ र यसलाई विकसित गर्न गइरहेका छौँ।
Romantic Travels and Tours, your best holiday travel partner. Always remember for international and domestic ticketing. Special domestic tour package, outbound tours in Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, Mauritius, Sri Lanka, Korea and Indonesia. Romantic Travels and Tours Private Limited, Putali Sadak, Kathmandu. Telephone 441370 44137001.
At Sunway University, we promise more than a superior education. We promise a positive environment that enriches your child's learning experience and a culture that optimizes their potential, graduating them towards professional careers as well-rounded, inspirational young people destined for greatness. Be it as captains of industry or ambassadors of the future, at Sunway University, we provide a gateway to the world.
Admission open at Paragon Academy, Kamal Vinayak, Bhaktapur.
From nursery to class 8.
For admissions, contact
Paragon Academy,
Kamal Vinayak for Bhaktapur. Telephone
66173660 66137775.
Gandaki Higher Secondary Boarding School, located at Lamachor, Pokhara, is the first and only regional school in Nepal. The school is a non-profit institution